Hi student, today I have brought an excellent trick to find antilog without log table. For that student, we need to remember some values. These are the values that we have to remember. That is 0.3 is equal to 2, 2.01 is equal to 1.5, 0.1 is equal to 1.26. These are the values that we have to remember. With that, we have to also remember these values. Okay, now let's find the antilog of few example I have written over here. So we will find antilog of this number. So first of all, that we will find antilog of 54.39. okay, whenever we are finding antilog, first of all, for the first step is what we have to split up this number. Okay, so we will split up this number. So here it is 54.39. so we will split this number into 54 plus 0.3 plus 0.09. okay, in this way I had split up this number. Okay, after that the number which is before the decimal point, that number we have to take as a 10 to the power. Okay, so here before the decimal point that 54 is there, so I will take this number as a 10 to the power 54. Okay, now for this number the value of 0.3 I have written over here, that is 2. So I will write here 2. For 0.3 I will write here 2. For 0.0 number, see, for last digit we have to use this table. Okay, now here the last digit is 9. Okay, so it is 9 will come over here, that is 1. The value of 9, 8 and 9 is 1.20. okay, so we will write, instead of 9 I will write here 0.09, I will write here 120. Now multiply all these numbers. Okay, so we will get our final answer is 2.40 into 10 raised to 54. Okay, this is the value of antilog of 54.39. okay, now next find out the next number, that is antilog of 37.288. now here after decimal point there are 3 digits also, so we have to convert this 3 digit into 2 digit. Okay, so what we will do is, if the third digit is more than 5, then we have to add one number in the second digit. Okay, so here our point is, our number will be 37.29. okay, so we have to find out the antilog of this number. Okay, now the same method over here, that is we have to split up this number. So we will split up this number, 37 plus 0.2 plus 0.09. okay, now as I told you, we have to take this number as a 10 to the power 37. okay, instead of 0.2 I wrote 2 into 0.1. okay, and the value of 2 into 0.1 is 1.58. so we will write here 1.58. now for 9, here the value of 9 is 1.20. we have to see this number over here. okay, now we will multiply all these numbers. okay, after multiplying we will get the answer 1.596 into 10 raised to 37. This is the antilog of, this number is the antilog of 37.288. okay, now next number we will see, that is antilog of 15.6. okay, same here also, in this case also we have to split up into 15 plus 0.6. now here 0.6, in this table we don't have any 0.6 numbers value. So what we will do is, we will split this number in that format only, in that either in the format of 0.3 or 2 into 0.1 or into 0.1. okay, so now here this, instead of 15 I will write here 10 to the power 15. okay, now this 0.6, so 0.6, that is 0.3 plus 0.3, right? Now what is the value of 0.3? 0.3 value is 2. Here also value of 0.3 is 2, and here 10 raised to 15. okay, now we will multiply all this number, so we will get 4 into 10 raised to 15. This is the antilog of 15.6. okay, now student, the next antilog here, antilog of minus 2.76. now student, for minus digit there is a different method, okay, for calculation of antilog. okay, let's see how to calculate. For minus digit, the method of finding antilog is different. The first step is, what we have to do is, this number before the digit decimal point, we have to see the number, that is 2. okay, now we have to add plus 1 to that digit, and we have to take as a 10 to the power. okay, now here 2 is there, so I will write here 10 to the power 3. I will add 1 to it. So I have written here 10 to the power 3 and it is minus, that's why I write here minus. Okay, now the second step is what? We have to round up this figure. Okay, here 2.76, so we have the rounded figure for this number is 300. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to subtract this number from this number. So what is number is 0.24. okay, sorry, it is 0.24. okay, now we have to find the antilog of this number. Okay, so we will find the antilog of this number is antilog of 0.24. okay, so we will find antilog of 0.24. so what is our first step is? Our first step is we have to split up this number. So we will split up 0.24 into 0.2 plus 0.04. okay, now instead of this we will write here 0.2, we will write here 2 into 0.1. Now here, okay, so this 10 raised to minus 3 will come over here. Okay, so we will multiply this number, and we will get the answer 1.737 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, so this is the answer of antilog of, this is the answer for the antilog of minus 2.76. okay, in this way we can find out the antilog of numbers.